Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we will discuss about Save Google Docs images on Android Part 2. Save Google Docs images on Android Part 2. For give the document a suitable name. Select the drive folder you want to the file saved and tab Save. Number 4 5 when the upload is complete, locate the file in your Drive account, tap the menu icon and select download. Number 6 open the file in the Files app or any third-party file manager and extract the images out of the zip file. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.